Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about staples, specifically the amount of staples you can run underneath the wires. Stick around and we'll talk about it. So we're just going to take the wire, gently pull down. The cord is pretty much melted together. So there we have our end, our finished end with our. So we commonly get a lot of questions about staples and how many wires can be stapled underneath a staple. Well, there's 4 different sizes that we use. We use an S1 staple, an S2 staple, an S3 staple, and an S4 staple. And they all have a variety of differences for a variety of different associated wires. So we'll talk about each one. So as you can see, we're going to start with the S1. The S1 says right on it that you can run a 14-2 or 12-2. So that's a single cable only, okay? And then we go on to the S2, which is a little bit bigger, which means we can run a 14-2, a 10-2, a 14-3, or a 10-3, or we can run 2 14-2s or 2 12-2s underneath the same staple. Then we move on to the S3, which is 10-2 and 8-2, 14-3, and there's a variety of different ones you can run here. And then lastly, the S4, which is for your larger cables. So you can run actually 8 14-2s underneath one of the S4 cables, but we don't generally do that. We usually go to what's called a standoff, which is these things here, so, or a wire tree. So these actually go on the side of the stud. When we put the wire on, we bang these on the side of the stud and then put our staples in, our wires in like that. So you can see here we've got a few that are double stapled. We've got our electric heat wires here underneath some S2s. So we don't generally do more than 2 wires underneath a staple, and that depends on your area that you're in. Here in Canada we're allowed to do this, and it depends on your local inspection authority as well. Some areas shun upon it, but it just does a little nicer, neater job. So there's also a newer technology that's come out recently, made by Klein, which is a hand stapler. And the staples that go in that are individually loaded. Now, Klein is not sponsoring us to do this, but we do use these a lot because they do a nice, neat job. So these staples actually load into the stapler, and then it's listed on the front here about what you can use. So they're good for 14-2, 12-2, 10-2, etc. Gives a whole list of what you can do here. Now, generally, you can't double up wires underneath one of these. They're single wire use only. So guys, that's pretty much it when it comes to stapling wires. It's marked right on the box what sizes to use for what associated wire and how many you can actually put underneath a single staple. Hope you like that video. If you want to see more videos like this one, click up here in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or you can come on over to the website where all our videos are organized in a nice searchable fashion. And don't forget, never do your own electrical work. Always consult your own local licensed electrician, and we'll see you on the next one.